Hello, good morning. Well, I just came from my gym, but anyway, I make this video. It regards on protesting. Those people, it's just a little bit, I don't really mind you guys are protesting, but it bothers me already. Since this protesting, you can protest anytime you want, peacefully, without violenting, disrespectful, especially to the military. If you are trying to send a message to the government, send a message respectfully. Why are become violent, hurt, throwing rock, throwing water, throwing something, any kind of object to the military? That's disrespectful. That's not the way you protest. You're trying to send a message, but is that the way you send a message? Is that like a criminal act? If you're not happy, because especially you guys are protesting, waving your flag that is not even flag of America. Just to remind, you are in USA, so you should show that you love the US, that you have the right to stay here. Not if you fighting with your country, then why don't you go back to your country? This is a USA. If you guys trying to fight with disrespectful those military, then you not belong here in the US. It bothers me because those are the military. Those are people who protecting us. So they should not be disrespectful. Those military, police, marine are the one who protecting you if you need them. But you guys are disrespectful. You don't want the way our president run the US. That's why they want you to go back to your country. You are fighting because you especially when I heard people are saying, quit your job, go back where you belong, go home. Excuse me, who should be going home? You are supposed to going home, not those militaries protecting us, protecting you, protecting people not to get hurt by you. So I'm not against why you guys are protesting. I know you guys have a right to protest, but you don't have a right to hurt people. You don't have a right to disrespect, vandalizing object. That's not the way how to protest. That's a criminal act. You're just showing your real intention. That's a criminal act. So if you want to protest and hear your voice, protest safely and respectful, and doesn't have any violence. Respect peacefully when you guys protesting. It bothers me a lot because I see the way people protesting. That's not the way it is. That's disrespectful. I hope you got this message.